Hello traders, today is the 19th of January 2011 and happy trading to you all. And this is the Dow Jones Index, as I've shown you before in my previous video about day trading discussion for the 19th of January 2011. We know that the Dow Jones is at the region of 76% Fibonacci retracement level on the weekly chart. Okay, a very hot spot area for the bear, a tough zone for a fight between the bulls and the bear. We can see clearly on this 5-minute chart of the Dow Jones that the price went down, okay, up to this level here. We pay attention to this level here, so we know clearly, if you look at this chart, we know who is in charge. The bear are in charge right now, okay. They control it up to this level here. If we start drawing our Fibonacci tool on this section here, where I place my cursor down to this level here, so we notice that this is day trading with the Fibonacci, okay. So we notice that the price did went down from where my cursor is down to this level here and retraced up to this level here, which is around the 76% of the move from here down to this level here. The bear to control again and bring it down, okay. Usually when the price retraces to the 76% or 78%, like some traders like to call it, okay, the price has a high probability, if it's about to turn around, to retrace back to the where to the downside completely up to this level here. So retrace total, that's what we call total retracement, from 76% from to the bottom of the move. This will be your target. If you were selling here, you know that your target will be in this region here, okay. That's where they took a bit of profit here. The price went up again, okay. Now I'm going to clear out that one, the movement from here to here. The price retraced up to 76% of the move from here to here, and the bear to control again and bring it down. Your target will be in the total retracement line, where I put my red horizontal line, okay. And now I'm going to remove that Fibonacci tool. Now the price went down again from where my cursor is, from here down to this level here, and now it retraced to where my cursor is, which is the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. As you can see, the Fibonacci traders are busy in this market right now. They sold it again at 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level of the move from here down to here. If the price continue the movement to the downside and break this level, our target will be in the zone of 138% Fibonacci projection zone, okay. So retracement of 61.8, target 138 in the region of 138% Fibonacci projection zone. Some trader will say 127, okay. These are conservative traders, will take their profit at 127. Greedy trader will remain the trade in the zone up to 138% Fibonacci projection zone. If you want to know more about the Fibonacci projection and Fibonacci retracement level, you need to go to our website www.dayprotraders.com to learn to master the subject of Fibonacci once and for all. So you can see from here where my cursor is down to this level here, the price retraced to 76%. The bear managed to control the price from here down to the total retracement level, okay, which is right here. They took profit, the price went up. Now the price went down from here, okay, down to this level here. It retraced back up again to the 61.8. It does not mean that anytime the price retraces back up, you just sell. You look for opportunity to sell. That's how we talk. Look for opportunity to sell if there is opportunity to sell. In this first case where you went down to here, this huge candle is telling you now this is quite bearish pressure. The second candle confirmed to us straight away that we must look for opportunity to sell. This candle here, the price tried to go up. You see the shadow on top of this candle is telling you that there are more bear, and they bring it down, okay. Now looking at this one here, we'll watch carefully this candle forming here. We will see how that is completed. This is the candle that will give us the clear-cut indication to look for opportunity to sell, yes or no. Look using the Fibonacci retracement and the Fibonacci projection zone. There is a support here. We will pay attention to that. I'll draw one horizontal line there. We watch that support level here, okay. You see some traders start selling at this level here, okay, and the price that if you want to sell, you can perfectly wait for this candle. It will be completed in the next minute, 1 minute, exactly in 1 minute, this candle will be completed. If you remain bearish, that will be excellent place to sell with a tiny stop loss, because tiny stop loss, so that you do not, in case the price try to turn around again, in case this turn out to be a bearish trap, you can perfectly control your risk carefully, okay? When you are trading with the Fibonacci, the gorgeousness of the Fibonacci trading is that it allows you to enter the place at an excellent place with a tiny stop loss for huge reward. This is an excellent risk reward ratio setup. So right now you see the bear still controlling the price. Now this excellent time to sell, and because this candle is now, it's still got 1 minute to go, you will wait for it nicely for the candle to form. But if you are aggressive trader, you may sell after the first candle with a tiny stop loss above this candle here, where I place my red horizontal line. Okay, so you are entering the market at the same time protecting your capital, because as a trader, your first priority is to protect your trading capital at all costs. Fight like a dog, defend your capital like a dog. No, no one is dog, but I mean the bull spirit, okay? The dog spirit, strong. Okay, you do not let your guards down. Very important, because you do not want the market to take your money, but you want to take money from the market. Remember, trading is a competition between the bulls and the bear, and whenever you enter the trade, you must always use your stop loss by all means. So this is about how to use the Fibonacci in day trading. So right now we are watching now if the price continue the movement to the downside. What I will do, because I don't have the Fibonacci projection tool on this chart, I can perfectly calculate that for you. Bear with me as I'm finding my calculator. You can see the bearish pressure developing on this chart. What I will do, I'll quickly calculate the target of one. I will put the target at 127. I will not. I will put the one. I will tell you the target for 127 and 138. Okay, bear with me as I'm fiddling with my calculator here. Okay, 11874. Okay, minus 11832. Okay, multiply by I will check first 38%. Okay, I have the figure here. Okay, 38%. Okay, now I'm going to check for my calculation for 27%. Bear with me as I'm doing my calculation by heart here. Okay, now right now I have some figures here for you. So our target, I will calculate quickly our target, 32, 48, 44. Okay, now where now? Okay, now what to bear with me please as I'm doing all my calculation here. Okay, I hope you are still with me, that you are not fed up with me. The price finding the support there, we'll watch carefully that zone. At least what I say to you, we do not take anything for guarantee. Okay, it does not mean that the price by all means will reach that level. Okay, but this is just estimation. Okay, to give us a bit of indication where the price is likely to go. Okay. Our target for the 38% Fibonacci projection will be 13816. 13816. Okay, will be the target for 138% Fibonacci projection zone. Okay, and for the 1 to 7% Fibonacci projection zone, our target will be 13812. Okay, 13812 for the 27%, 127 for 127% Fibonacci projection zone, and the 138% Fibonacci projection zone will be 13816. Okay, no big difference. So it's somewhere down here, 138. 1, 2 and 138 somewhere here, down. So we're expecting the price to continue movement to the downside. What I will do, I will change my time frame, okay, quickly to the 10-minute chart, so we can see clearly what we are talking about. We are talking about we'll see whether the market will respect that. 13812. Okay, that's one target there. 138 13812, a 13820. Okay, the 127%, my apology for my mistake, the 127% Fibonacci projection zone is here, 13820. Okay, 127% Fibonacci projection zone is at what am I talking? Where do I get this 138 from? I'm just saying a lot of wrong information here. It's not 138, 118. Okay, 127% Fibonacci projection zone. My apology to all our viewers. The 127% Fibonacci projection zone is at 11820, not 138. My apologies, 11820. Okay, and the next one is here, 16 right here. Okay, it's done. Okay, so I managed to correct myself now. Okay, so let's summarize again. Okay, the first target is 1 to 7% Fibonacci projection zone. That's the conservative target is at 11820. Okay, so forget all the mistakes that I made before. Okay, that's 11820. That's the first target of 1 to 7% Fibonacci projection zone. The next target, which is 138, okay, percent, is here at 11816. That's where I put my red horizontal line. Okay, the price did approach that zone. We'll see whether it's going to touch them or not. The price does not have to do that, but that's our estimation to look for position to take some profit at that zone if you are selling in this candle here. Okay, so this is it. I will move again up to a higher time frame so we can see clearly our target. We are now on the 50-minute chart. Still bulls are trying to interfere with the bear instead of letting the bear enjoying themselves today. We will see what's going to happen here. So we keep watching this. This is about day trading with the Fibonacci tool. Okay, so we will see whether the market will respect it or turn around here. So we will watching carefully here. Okay, just watching. But sometimes the price can perfectly continue the movement even to 150% Fibonacci projection zone. What I will do, while we are doing this now, I will draw also on this chart the target for 150% Fibonacci projection zone. Okay, while I'm doing this on my lovely calculator here. Okay, okay, now 118. Okay, bear with me. I'm still here doing some work. Okay, a bit slow right now. 118 key. That's correct. That's 150%, and then I will do the 61.8. Okay, bear with me while I'm doing all my calculation here. Okay, I'll just do 61.8. Yes. 41. Okay, where am I now? Okay, right here. Okay, 41. 11832 minus 41. 11791. Okay, now our price target for the Fibonacci projection zone of 150 our target for the 150 Fibonacci projection zone. Repeat, our target for the 150 Fibonacci projection zone is 11811. Okay, so what I will do again, I will draw a line here at 11811 somewhere here. Okay, that's the 150 Fibonacci projection zone if the price manage to come back down, and the ultimate greedy target is 11791 somewhere here. Okay, so I'll draw the line also there. That remains to be seen. As you can see, the price turning around there. Okay, So we are now on the 15-minute chart. Okay, these are our target. The first target this one, the second target this one, the third target here, and the fourth one here. This is the last one is the 161% Fibonacci projection zone. The next one right here is the 150 Fibonacci projection zone, and the one here is the 138% Fibonacci projection zone, and the one here is the 127% Fibonacci projection zone. That remains to be seen as we are watching the price of Dow Jones. Okay, so we keep watching. Hopefully that will be done, or the price can perfectly turn around. Okay, do not assume anything. This is the key for successful trading. You do not assume anything. Okay, very important. Do not try to force the theory onto the market. The theory is one thing, but when it comes to the practical or the reality of the market, it's a different matter, which means that's why we use a stop loss and we control the trade carefully, that if you are about to lose, you lose very small, very important. Okay, and then you also know your target. If your target's hit, you make sure you bank your profit. So many traders right now, you are using the Fibonacci, they will definitely be watching this level carefully. A lot of bear will be very a bit frustrated now, as the bulls are still delaying their profit. Okay, so they will be wondering what's going on. Okay, this is a psychological game. Some bear will perfectly take their small profit and walk away as the price hesitating here. Okay, this is to test your patience. Some it depends on how much risk you are taking. If you are taking a very tiny risk, you may perfectly decide to leave the trend run. If they take you out, they take you out. If they take you out, just say ouch, that's it. Okay, and you look for the next trading opportunity. This is about day trading with the Fibonacci tool. I will let this run a bit because I don't like video to be too long. So we just keep watching for a while to see what will happen in this particular case, whether the market will respect our target or not. Okay, so keep watching, please. Keep watching, please. I'll give this trade another 2 minutes if it doesn't come back down. The important thing is to remember how you can use the Fibonacci retracement and the Fibonacci projection in your trading. Okay, so I'll give it another 2 minutes. If we don't see any action, the important thing is to remember how to use the Fibonacci in your day trading. Okay. The time now is 10:36 Eastern time. Okay, perfectly okay for day trading. Okay, as the New York opens, it's better to stay in the market for 2 hours. Okay, and then go away. Okay, that's the best thing to do. To trade together with the professional traders. If they go on lunch, you go on lunch also the same time. Okay, but if you are trading what are called the gap period of the New York session, which is from we say 12 a.m. Eastern time till the market close. In fact, it's a gap period. Some people will say between 12 a.m. Eastern time till 2 p.m. Eastern time. We can consider that period a gap period from 12 p.m. Eastern time to 2 p.m. Eastern time. That's another gap period. But in my view, after 2 hours when New York open, if there's no action, it's better to wait to come back another day. Okay, the price giving us is price try to be nice to us. Now we'll see whether you hit our first target of 1 to 7% Fibonacci projection zone. Okay, That's the first line where the price is approaching. As you can see, there are some traders taking profit already, because some traders will take profit before others, or going into the mind of other traders, some bull will try to buy here to see what's going to tease, so to speak, to tease the bear. Okay, we can consider our first target being hit as the price is just near, so we can consider our first target being hit. We will see whether the market, the bear will be very aggressive. If they manage to bring it all the way down here, that will be very, very bearish for the Dow Jones if they hit our greedy target of 161% Fibonacci projection. So as you can see, the tail forming right now on this chart is telling us quickly that there are traders taking profit in this zone right now as we are speaking now. Okay, so this is it regarding how you can use the Fibonacci in day trading. I will have to close this video now. If there are more action, I may do another video and show you, but the important thing is to know how to use the Fibonacci in your day trading. I hope you enjoyed this video also, that you put into practice in order to cream the market consistently. We are the TSTWSYS08 traders. Thank you for watching, and speak to you soon.